Hey, I'm Erleen Tilton, the Happy Gut Foodie from ErleenTilton.com. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some strawberry cream puffs. These are so tasty, and guess what? They are gluten-free, sugar-free, and dairy-free too. And you'd never believe that because they're so good. I can hardly wait to taste them, and I know you're gonna love them too, so keep watching. Today, you can experience robust flavors and benefits of food-grade essential oils along with healthy food alternatives as I show you how to make cream puffs, one of my favorite Valentine's Day dessert recipes. So let's begin by adding 1 cup water to a large saucepan, and then we're going to add in 1/4 cup of butter and heat that up until the butter melts. Then in a mixing bowl, we're going to add 1 2/3 cup almond flour, a teaspoon xanthan gum, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then we're going to whisk that all together and then spoon it into our hot water and cook it actually until it just pulls together. Now we're going to add 4 eggs, one at a time. And after we add 1 egg, mix it in, then add the other, mix the other one in until you've added all 4 eggs and mix them in until you have a nice smooth batter. Then drop by tablespoons on a parchment lined baking sheet, and then we're going to bake them at 425 for 20 minutes. Wow, don't those look yummy? Now we're going to make our filling. First, take 3 strawberries and put them in the blender or chop them fine, however you can do that. And once that's done, we're going to put them aside. And in our mixing bowl, add 1 1/4 cups of coconut cream, 2 tablespoons of powdered monk fruit, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, and 3 drops of wild orange essential oil. I call this my secret sauce because of the burst of flavor and benefits. And then whisk it all together and then add the strawberries and whisk them in as well. Now, you don't have to do this, but I like to put this in my cake decorator. And then it's just a lot easier to fill the cream puffs. But like I said, if you just want to spoon it in, that's totally up to you as well. Once you have that ready to go, then we're going to open those cream puffs. You want to spoon out that little bit of filament and cut them all up. And this gives them a little bit of a chance to cool as well, which you want to make sure they are nice and cool before you fill them. Then one at a time, fill them with that strawberry cream filling, and then make sure and chill them well before you serve them. That way the cream sets up just a little bit more. They are so yummy. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you go to the description below, ask your questions, comment, download my free Food Grade Essential Oils Guide, then like and subscribe. Enjoy the recipe and see you in my next video.